So ito yung gusto kong i-point out sa inyo guys. Pagka nag-check tayo ng Pi to PHP, ayan, so as of the date and time ng recording natin today, makikita natin 1 Pi is as low as 26.94 pesos na lang. Okay? So ang baba, at in-expect ko 27 na yung pinakamababa, pero ito habang nire-record natin, down by 6% in the past 24 hours. 1 Pi is 26.94. Okay, so yung ibang mga nagpo-post na hindi bababa yung ano, yung talagang ano, matindi yung conviction sa Picoin ano. Ako naman guys, sinusuportahan ko naman talaga tong Picoin, pero maniwala kayo na cryptocurrency pa rin yan, and bababa at bababa rin yung price action ng Picoin, okay? Lalo na kapag yung Bitcoin naging na less than 40,000k, diyan tayo magkakaalaman, okay? Okay, so yung dito sa middle part ng article na to, inelaborate lang yung story highlights. So okay na tayo dyan. Okay, ang gusto kong i-point out or i-share na glaring, itong nakalagay dito, no surge in Picoin. Okay, despite all the recent buzz, Picoin's price is still stuck in the red zone. Okay, over the last few days, Picoin has dropped 3.6%, falling from 0.57 to about $0.53. Okay? Ayan, oh, adding to the worry is the huge unlocking of Pi tokens coming up in July. Nearly 337 million new Pi coins will join the circulating supply next month. Okay? So, law of supply and demand sa economics, the more supply pero mababa ang demand will push the price action ng Pi coin much lower. Okay? Kung wala tayong um, magandang catalyst para maging reason to maintain or increase yung price action ng Picoin, okay? So tandaan natin, maliban dito sa i-release na additional supply ng Picoin sa market, marami pa tayong mga unverified balance sa Picoins natin. Okay? So I'm not certain kung ano bang balak dito ng Pi Network, kung kailan nila gagawin yung second migration, okay? Kasi considering na magre-release sila ng additional Pi coins sa market, and kapag the more people pa yung i-clear nila sa KYC and makukuha na nung lahat halos ng users yung unverified balance and transferable balance nila sa kanilang mainnet wallet, mas lalo pang magkakaroon ng higher potential na bumaba pa lalo yung price action ng Picoin, okay? So ako talaga guys, feeling ko kaya nitong ano darating yung part na magiging less than 20 pesos or less than 10 pesos ito. Nagiging realistic lang ako, okay? Ang takeaway ko lang dito, habang nagagamit natin ng libre yung mining feature ng Pi Network app dito sa Pi account natin, i-maximize lang natin siya. Okay? Itong araw na to, natutuwa nga ako, naging 4 out of 9 yung ano ko nagma-mine maliban sa akin. Kasi normally 1 or 2 lang yan. Pag check ko ngayon 4 out of 9. So buti naman, may nakapansin nung reminder ko dito na mag-mine sila ng Pi coins. Regardless kasi kung mataas man ang price ng Pi coin or hindi, dapat consistent kayo. Okay? Para pagdating nung araw na may potential gains, pwede natin yan ma-maximize. Okay? Total, nandito na rin tayo sa Picoin account natin. Kapag ka sinearch nyo guys sa mismong Pi account ninyo or sa Pi wallet ninyo yung Pi KYB entity. Ayan, KYB entity page. Makikita nyo dito yung updates sa mga KYB business partners ng Pi Network, okay? So makikita nyo dito, nag-update na siya, mas dumami na. Okay, OKX, Gate.io, Pionex, BitGet, MEXC, Bansa, and nadagdag itong OnRamper and OnRamp.money. Ayan. So, ayan, malinaw na malinaw. Talagang added yung OnRamp.money. So kahit tignan nyo yan ngayon dito, pag chinek natin yan, ito yung website ng OnRamp.money. Okay, kunin natin tong yung may legitimate na website. Ayan. So buy, sell, and swap cryptos. Okay. So for example, gusto nating mag-buy ng crypto. Guys, for tutorial purposes lang itong pinapakita ko ha. So nakikita nyo in the Philippines, okay, available itong onramp.money. And for example, gusto natin bumili ng Pi coins. Ayan. Pwede mong i-select ang Pi network, okay? So nakikita nyo dyan, yun lang yung ano dito, nakikita kong challenge, okay? Hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng crypto dito na less than 500 yung deposit mo, okay? So, halimbawa, bibili ka ng Pi coins ngayon, worth 700 pesos yung Philippine peso mo, makukuha mo is 25.6 pesos, okay? Ayan guys, Pi Network news update tayo today. So, ito yung date and time ng recording natin. So, gusto ko lang i-share itong isang article na nabasa natin, credits to coinpedia.org website, okay? So nakikita nyo naman, breaking, okay? Pi Network partners with Bansa and OnRamper, di ba? Yet Picoin didn't surge. Ang kulit ng title, ano? The breaking tapos nilaglag sa dulo, eh, no? So, pwede nyo naman to basahin at your own pace. Focus na lang tayo dito sa highlights, okay? So, Pi Network partners with Bansa and OnRamper, making fiat to crypto swaps easier for everyone, okay? Users can now buy Pi coins with local money using cards, Apple Pay, and bank transfers. Meanwhile, Bansa secured over 30 million Pi worth $19 million, boosting trading supply instantly. Oh, okay. Most likely, yung mga nakikita nating malalaking buy transaction sa mga post online, possible na ano yun, wallet address yun ng Bansa. Okay? Despite these deals, Picoin's price stays weak, dropping slightly with more supply coming soon. Okay. Okay, yun lang naman yung thoughts ko. So, disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content on this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.